Hope you're doing well, hope you're having a great day. The idea that we're going to be talking about in this video is from the book The Daily Stoic. I read it from there, and this is a great book, really. It's basically a lesson for every day of the year. You can see like March 30th there, and it has some kind of Stoic lesson for every single day of the week. I highly recommend this book, it's awesome. And the idea that I read about is the idea that the obstacle is the way. That you can turn around every bad situation and use it to your advantage. That every obstacle in your way, you can use that to your advantage. You can use a bad situation to exercise some kind of virtue. For example, let's say that you're stuck in traffic or something is preventing you from getting somewhere in time. Well, that's actually a chance to practice patience. Or another example, let's say that you forgot to save your work on your computer. You forgot to save, you click the save button on the Word document or something, and now it's all gone. Now that's actually a chance to start over from a clean slate and make it even better. Remove all the stuff that didn't really need to be there. Maybe someone makes an expensive mistake. Now that's a chance to teach a valuable lesson. Maybe you've been hurt by someone. That's a chance to practice forgiveness. Maybe you have to do something hard. Now that's a chance to get stronger. Maybe you don't feel like doing work today. Maybe you don't feel like studying today. Now that's a chance to practice your discipline. You see, you can turn around every situation, every bad situation. You can look at it from another way. You can look at it as asking yourself, what kind of virtue can I exercise here? What can I practice here? Maybe I can practice my patience. Maybe I can practice my discipline, my love, my forgiveness, my kindness. In every situation, you can ask yourself this and instantly turn it around and realize that, as it says, that the obstacle is the way. It is through the obstacle that you become better. It is through the obstacle that you exercise these virtues. So I challenge you to try this thinking out just for a week. Just try it out for a week and see if you can find a situation where you can't turn it around, where you can't use it to your advantage, where you can't get some kind of benefit, some kind of lesson out of it. And I can bet that you won't find a situation like that, because every single situation you can find some good in it. In every single one you can turn it around and use it to your advantage. See what kind of virtue you can use in that situation, and I really advise just trying it out. I really use this a lot in my life. I use it almost every single day, thinking, okay, this just happened, this is now happening. How can I see it in another way? What kind of virtue can I practice in this certain kind of situation? For example, I use it a lot when I'm in traffic, for example, to practice patience. Now, I really encourage you to try this out, because there will be days where the things won't happen the way you wanted them to. Your plans won't work out. If not today, then tomorrow 100%. Things will not go your way. Now, instead of getting frustrated, angry, or anxious, why not just try this out? Adapt to the situation as it comes. The idea of, also in Stoic philosophy, of amor fati, the love of fate, accepting whatever comes to your way. And it's just accepting it and even loving it, making the best out of it. There's a very nice metaphor of a fire. You see, everything you put into the fire, no matter what, it absorbs it and gets even higher flames. It gets even hotter. It gets a lot bigger from whatever you throw into it. And just in the same way, whatever life throws at us, we use it to our advantage, and we overcome it and become a better person as a result of it. No matter what it throws at us, we use it to our advantage. We see the better thing in it. We see the lesson in it. We see how we can overcome it, what kind of virtue we can practice there. Just as a bonfire accepts everything that we throw at it, we accept everything that life throws at us. And we don't complain, we don't nag about it. We accept it and we embrace it. So really ask yourself in every moment, what kind of lesson can I learn from this? What kind of virtue, good characteristic can I practice in this situation? Maybe it's patience, or maybe discipline when you don't feel like studying or working, doing some hard thing. Maybe practice using your willpower to resist the cheesecake, to resist the bad habits. Maybe you got into an argument with someone. Now that's a chance to practice forgiveness, to practice kindness, to practice love. Because you see, it's easy to love when you are also loved. But can you love the other person when they don't love you back? Can you love the other person when they are pissing you off, when they are annoying you? Can you love the other person when you don't want to, when you don't feel like it? Because it's easy to love when you're also loved, but can you do it when you're not loved? Maybe she hurt you. Can you love from a place like that? Can you love from a place of hurt? Can you do that? Or maybe someone is pissing you off, he's annoying, very annoying. You want to kill him, you want to punch him in the face. Can you practice calmness in that moment? Not overreacting, not losing your temper. So really ask yourself, write it on your wall, put it on your phone screen, get a tattoo of it. The obstacle is the way. And just remember to ask yourself this every moment. How can I use this to my benefit? What kind of virtue can I use here? What kind of lesson can I get from this? Just try it for a week and trust me, I guarantee you that you will see some crazy improvements. You will feel a lot better. You'll see that you can use every situation to your advantage. You can adapt to it as it comes. The idea of a amor fati, whatever life throws at you, you're going to use it to your advantage. Just as the bonfire uses whatever we throw at it and becomes brighter and more hotter and bigger. The flames of it get higher and higher. So I hope that you like this video. If you're interested, I'm doing free one-on-one calls. You can send me an email and ask me any advice, any troubles that you have, we can talk about it. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your presence. All the love towards you. Have a great day and goodbye.